How to quickly replace the FLYght One's glue board and biove VE Plus insert. Part 1. Replacing the FLYght One's glue board. Pestroniks recommends replacing the FLYght One's glue board once every 6 weeks or when the glue board is full of houseflies. Switch off the electricity. Gently remove the glue board at the back of the trap by pulling it up vertically. You can use any universal glue board brand in the FLYght One. Take a new universal glue board and slide it vertically into the trap, taking care to ensure it fits exactly into the glue board slot. Switch on the electricity to power the trap. Part 2. Replacing the FLYght One's biove VE Plus insert. Pestroniks recommends replacing the FLYght One's biove VE Plus insert once every 6 months. After switching off the electricity, remove the white biove VE Plus insert at the back of the FLYght One by sliding it horizontally from right to the left. Mark the placement date and the next replacement date after 6 months at the back of the new biove VE Plus insert. The insert must snugly fit into the slot at the back of the FLYght One and not move when you place it correctly. Switch on the electricity to power the trap.